Nuclear energy is one of the most efficient, clean energy production methods currently available, with decades of proven reliability. It has massive potential as the dominant clean energy source globally, producing zero carbon emissions while delivering unmatched efficiency. The use of automation solutions in the refurbishment and decommissioning of nuclear facilities helps to make this efficient energy source more affordable. Our innovative nuclear engineered automation solutions reduce the time that humans need to be inside areas of potential exposure or eliminate the need for manual work within certain zones entirely, reducing potential dose exposure, however minimal to employees. No matter what kinds of nuclear industry automation solutions your company needs, our Eclipse automation experts are here to support and assist you plan, prepare, design, procure, manage, build, and integrate our seamless solution to your final delivery destination. We can help you turn nuclear energy into one of the best forms of power on the market. For more, visit eclipseautomation.com. Eclipse Automation, part of Accenture.